Welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to cook black beans for black bean salad. I took 1 cup of black beans and now I am going to rinse it. Now I am going to wash the beans twice just to make sure that no dust is left. I am going to wash it the second time and wash it really well and then strain it through a sieve. And look, there is a dirt in the water, and I'm going to use this water for my plants. These beans are ready to be soaked in water overnight. Now I'm going to transfer the black beans into a big bowl and add 3 cups of filtered water. You may wash the black beans with the fresh water, but I usually soak them in filtered water. And now they are ready to be soaked overnight, and in the morning I'm going to boil them. These beans have already been soaked overnight. Now I'm going to strain them. So now these are ready to be cooked. Now I'm going to boil the black beans by transferring it into the pressure cooker and adding 2 cups of water. This water is filtered again, and I use pressure cooker because it saves time, energy, and it's easy too. But if you want, you can use a saucepan, but then it will need more water and more time. I'm going to close the lid and turn on the gas and check after 10 minutes. They will be ready by the time. This is how the whistle of the pressure cooker sounds like, so don't get scared. After 2 whistles, we have to lower the gas stove from medium to low or from 5 to 2. To strain from the sieve again. So this is how they look like after cooking. So now these beans are ready to make black bean salad. The beans are cooked and they are ready for the salad. Please watch the full video for black bean salad on Neelam Co, and thank you for watching.